How to delete an event on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to delete an event on Facebook. Whether you created it by mistake, you changed your plans, or you just want to remove it permanently. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your menu section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now here, simply scroll down to the bottom and there you can see the option labeled as activity log. So simply tap on that. And once you tap on that and once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the activity history at the top right side. And here, after that, simply tap on filters at the top and simply choose categories. Now here under the categories, simply tap on Facebook activity and there you can see the option labeled as events. So simply tap on that. And here from the drop down menu that appears under the events, simply tap on all. And there you can see all your events. So if you want to delete it permanently, just tap on three dots beside it and you'll see the option popping up from the bottom that says remove me from the guest list. So simply tap on that. And that's it. That's how you can delete the event on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.